Rain is on the way for tomorrow, but not a drenching rain. We're expecting light showers for times during the day tomorrow, but it looks like it'll be with us through the morning and periods in the afternoon, evening, and even going into early on Saturday. At the moment, mostly cloudy skies, good visibility. Now, as the temperatures start getting a little closer to the dew points overnight, may see a little patchy fog. Don't think that's going to be a widespread issue. And so humidity is high at 72%, so it does have kind of a cool, damp feel to the air. 50s and low 60s out. Now, dew points are on the rise a bit. Had more 40s and 50s as we continue through the afternoon, and now most locations are in the low 50s. It's not a surge of Gulf moisture, but steadily those dew point values will be coming up and then really drop along with the temperatures early on Saturday behind a fairly strong cold front. Winds fairly light, and so with that increase in humidity during the night, light winds could see a little patchy fog as we get the day started tomorrow. Now, cloudy skies have prevailed for most of the day today. Did see a few sunny breaks. Overcast, though, during the day tomorrow, along with rainfall. So far on radar, all of the rain has been well offshore and very, very light. During the day tomorrow, that rain will start moving inland. And again, we are not anticipating anything particularly heavy. Over the course of the day tomorrow and even into early Saturday, many locations will probably see less than a half-inch of rainfall. That's nothing. This is not anything particularly heavy, so not expecting severe weather either. But as I mentioned, it will likely continue even into early on Saturday before finally sweeping on through. So that light rain will be with us for much of the day on Friday. Again, we'll see plenty of breaks in the rain, though. And then by Saturday, whatever time the rain clears out, some models have it early morning, others maybe around the noon hour. The rest of the day Saturday will be cloudy, windy, with temperatures dropping, feeling more like the 40s all day, a very winter-like feel. Sunny but chilly by Sunday with high temperatures in the mid-50s, and then gradually more spring-like weather next week. By midweek, we're already back into the 70s, so a bit of a winter feel for the weekend and more of a spring-like feel heading into next week. All of this moisture is coming in from the Pacific Ocean. This is the subtropical jet stream, and eventually we're seeing this upper low develop over Baja California. We're watching that low plus a developing upper trough. These two features really dictate our weather for the weekend. First, though, is the low. That's going to be coming in from Mexico. And so with it, the bulk of the rain is going to stay well offshore, south of us, central Gulf of Mexico. All we're going to get out of this is the light rainfall. That upper trough then sweeps on through, dropping temperatures and eventually clearing our skies for the second half of the weekend. And then over time, as we head into next week, we'll begin to see from out west an upper ridge building in. What this does is warms us up, and that's why temperatures are going to be soaring into the low and then mid-70s toward the mid to end of next week. So the cloudy skies will be with us all night, and we will likely wake up with some light rainfall to start the morning. It'll be steady at times, and we'll also see frequent breaks, but never anticipating anything particularly heavy. Might kind of see some of that rainfall reignite with this passing front early on Saturday. Again, this model has us clear by about daybreak or so. Other model, high resolution model, had the rainfall lingering into the noon hour. At some point during the morning, rainfall will be wrapping up on Saturday, but then the rest of the day kind of dreary, windy, and cold. We'll finally get into the clearing skies early on Sunday, so then more sunshine, but high temperatures on Sunday will remain on the chilly side. Bulk of the heavy rainfall stays well offshore. Inland, we're looking at maybe a quarter of an inch to a half inch of rainfall on the south shore. Down toward the coast, maybe about a 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rainfall. North of the lake, about a 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. And rain chances increase, obviously, as you go closer to the coast, where you're getting closer to the bulk of that rainfall, which again is going to stay south of us. 63 degrees are high and an overall wetter day. Those showers early Saturday morning, then wrapping up with temperatures dropping. Chilly mornings on the way Sunday, a light frost on the north shore, patchy frost, and a light freeze north of the lake on Monday. We're not done with the 30s just yet. Warming back to near 70 degrees on Tuesday, mid-70s by Thursday.